Hello friends, today we are making some story of some story based on the looping concept. So we let's started. Mm, Today we are use a first you have to select the background that you want. I want to use like a forest. So if you want to search, click on this. Use like this. If you want to change the directions to costume you have to flip it. See, and again I want to select other strip. Suppose I want to select this first. Okay, and go to control events, first select the when a flag is on, that have direction is on. I want to, when flag is on, that he said that hello. Okay. Okay. Then after click on control wait for seconds. And next I want to go on second and wait for 2 seconds because first I'm a 2 seconds, then after it will open this and say like hello. If you click, see this like you have a make story like one use. I want to try to this flag. I want to repeat when can go to event select when flag is on that repeat 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 10 times. Select costumes, select next costume. You click say put on. I'm not want to like move on this. Okay, I want to I want only repeat 20 steps. And and to try this butterfly, you have to packing it. So I'm putting on this when flag is on that I use forever. Forever. So forever for what? Use for looks. Looks next questions. Next question. Like this, this is computer that frequently work like this. So we have putting on the wait for 0.2 seconds. Second, like 10 space and like this. Okay, I want to wait for also I want to add some text like can you come party? Wait for then I also put wait 3 seconds and put loops. Yes, yes, I will come in party and again go on this story. So let's put paper and say party and again go on this story. Wait for 3 seconds and tell us okay It matching with this story. Hello. I want to this will go 5:10. You want single like this, you have click on this. Only this code will be executed. If you want to execute this, if you want to change costumes like this, when you repeat use next costume. Let's go. First I'm using on forever, and on this types you use repeat. That have difference repeat only on 20 times, and this is the for last times that are moving on this. So so let's see full story. See, when clicking on if you want to, I want to, I think some size is small. I think some problem to changing it. Okay, well, let's see the story. No. Thank you.